Children can easily get affected by ear infections more frequently as compared to the adults. There are many home remedies to treat ear infections, and garlic is one of them. But before we learn how to use garlic or garlic oil for ear infections, let us first understand how our ears get infected. Ear infection can occur in the inner, middle, or outer ear. But the middle ear infection, otitis media, is the most common. Middle ear infection occurs when a cold or throat infection causes the fluid to get trapped in the middle ear. Garlic possesses both antiviral, antifungal, and antimicrobial capabilities. Garlic is also a natural antibiotic. According to a study by University of Copenhagen, sulfur compounds in garlic can even treat chronic infections. The sulfur compound ion in garlic has powerful antibacterial capabilities. Other sulfur compound allicin has already been found to be antiviral and antimicrobial as well. So, irrespective of whether your ear infection is viral or bacterial, garlic can help to get rid of it. You can use garlic clove or garlic oil to get rid of the ear infection. Cut a peeled garlic clove horizontal into 2 pieces. Put one of the pieces in your ear with the cut portion facing outwards. Keep it there for more than 30 minutes. Remove the piece and repeat it 3 to 4 times daily. Another method is to make and use garlic and olive oil ear drops at home. Crush a garlic clove and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Put the mix on a mild heat to warm up the oil. Take it away from heat when you begin to experience garlic odor. Strain the oil and put it in a small glass bottle. Warm the oil to the level your skin can easily tolerate every time before use. Lie down on one side, keeping your infected ear up. Put 2 drops of warm garlic olive oil in the ear and plug your ear with a cotton ball. Do it 2 to 3 times daily. If you use it on children, then use it with extreme care. Ear infection generally goes away with home treatments. Consult a doctor if garlic or other natural remedies don't fix your ear infection. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.